divisibility rules. These rules will help us to determine whether the number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the division process. Let us see the divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit in its ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, which are even numbers. So, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Example, 93,264. The last digit is 4, which is an even number. So, the given number 93,264 is divisible by 2. Next, 50,63,428. Here the last digit is 8, which is an even number. So, the given number 50,63,428 is divisible by 2. Next, divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Example, 7,356. Find the sum of all the digits. We will get 21. Here, the sum is 21, which is a multiple of 3. So, the given number 7,356 is divisible by 3. Next, divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is either 0, 0 or divisible by 4. Example, 64,900. Here, the last two digits is 0, 0. So, the given number 64,900 is divisible by 4. Next, 5,832. Here, the last two digits is 32, which is divisible by 4 because 4 into 8 gives 32. So, the last two digit 32 is divisible by 4. So, the given number 5,832 is divisible by 4. Next, divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit in its ones place is 0 or 5. Example, 3,750. So, here the last digit is 0. So, the given number 3,750 is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Example, 7,648. First, check the divisibility rule of 2. The last digit is 8, which is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next, check the divisibility rule of 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So, find the sum 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, which gives 25, which is not divisible by 3. If the given number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, it is not divisible by 6. So, the given number 7,648 is not divisible by 6. Next, divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits is either 0, 0, 0 or divisible by 8. It is similar to the divisibility rule of 4. There, the last two digits is either 0, 0 or divisible by 4. Here, the last three digits is either 0, 0, 0 or divisible by 8. Let us see an example. 6,75,000. Here, the last three digits are 0. So, the given number 6,75,000 is divisible by 8. Next, 9,42,368. Here, the last three digits are 368. Now, divide it by 8. The quotient is 46, which is divisible by 8 completely. So the given number 9,42,368 is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. It is similar to the divisibility rule of 3. There, the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Here, the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. Let us see an example. 9648. The sum of the digits 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8 gives 27. Here, the sum is 27, which is divisible by 9. So, the given number 9648 is divisible by 9. Next, divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in its ones place is 0. Example, 39,57,140. Here, the last digit, that is, the digit in ones place is 0. So, the given number 39,57,140 is divisible by 10. Next, divisibility rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of alternate digits of the number is 0 or multiple of 11. Example, 84,73,916. Take the alternate digits and find their sum. The sum of 8, 7, 9 and 6 is 30. Next, the sum of 4, 3, 1 is 8. Now, find the difference between 30 and 8. 30 minus 8 gives 22, which is a multiple of 11. 2 times 11 is 22, so it is a multiple of 11. So, the given number 84,73,916 is divisible by 11. Next, divisibility rule of 25. A number is divisible by 25 if the number formed by its last two digits is 00, 25, 50 or 75. Example, 87,53,300. Here, the last two digits is 00. So, the given number 87,53,300 is divisible by 25. Next, 51,34,275. Here, the last two digits is 75. So, the given number 51,34,275 is divisible by 25. Recapitulation. We have seen the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 25. Divisibility rule of 2 is last digit is an even number. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Divisibility rule of 4 is last two digits is either 00 or divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5 is last digit is 0 or 5. Divisibility rule of 6 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility rule of 8 is last three digits is either 000 or divisible by 8. Note, the divisibility rule of 4 and 8 are similar to each other. Divisibility rule of 9 is the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. Note, the divisibility rule of 3 and 9 are similar to each other. Next, divisibility rule of 10 is the last digit is 0. Divisibility rule of 11, difference between the sum of the alternate digits of a number is 0 or multiple of 11. Divisibility rule of 25 is the last two digits is 00, 25, 50 or 75. Now, let us see exercise 3.1. Complete the following table by checking whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Write yes if it is divisible and no if it is not divisible. Numbers are given here: 5291, 7380, 3215, 5332, 8534, 7615. If we take the number 5291, we have to check whether the number 5291 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Now, take the number 8534. First, check the divisibility rule of 2. The last digit is 4, which is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next, check the divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Here, the sum of the digits is 20, which is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. Next, divisibility rule of 4. The last two digits 34 is not divisible by 4, so it is not divisible by 4. Next, check the divisibility rule of 5. The last digit is not 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 5. Next, divisibility rule of 6. The number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Here, the sum is 20, which is not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 9. Next, divisibility rule of 10. The last digit is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Now, fill the row of 8534. The number 8534 is divisible only by 2 and not by any other numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. So, write yes straight away to 2 and write no straight away to the other numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Similarly, you have to check for the other numbers and fill this table. Next, 7615. Check the divisibility rule of 2. The last digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, check the divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digits is 19, which is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. Next, check the divisibility rule of 4. The last two digits 15 is not divisible by 4, so it is not divisible by 4. Next, check the divisibility rule of 5. The last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Next, check the divisibility rule of 6. The number 7615 is not divisible by 2 and 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Next, check the divisibility rule of 9. The sum of the digits is 19, which is not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 9. Next, check the divisibility rule of 10. The last digit is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Now, fill the row of 7615. The number 7615 is divisible only by 5 and not by any other numbers 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 10. So, write S straight away to 5 and write no straight away to other numbers 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 10. Hope you all understood. Thank you, children.